Hello and welcome to another video review from salesburg.com. Today we are going to be looking at DeepCool's N7 laptop cooler. So that's what we have in front of us. Let's have a look at the box, how it is. Predominantly a white box, rather largish. Of course the content inside is somewhat big as well. And behind we have some pictures. It says 5 viewing angle and all that, and we're going to be looking at that. 2 USB port and unique anti-slip design ensures notebook safety, and we're going to be looking at all that. Now let's start with the unboxing of the product. So we open up the box. So the included accessories include a USB cable for connectivity, and of course the cooler itself. Now let me quickly get rid of the packaging. Put that there. Okay, so that's the cooler out of the box. Pretty much white, as you can see. That's the theme. There's a DeepCool monogram over here. Now some of the features: there's a large fan which we're going to see in action as we proceed, and it's a metal mesh on top. And the 2 hinges that they were referring to are these. Now they have rubberized padding over here that sort of is what your laptop will be resting against. We're going to be looking at that as well. This will prevent the laptop from slipping down from the cooler. Now the reverse side. First of all, if you're buying this on the markets, you want to be watching out for the certificate of authenticity there, or sticker of authenticity. There's a DeepCool monogram over here as well, and there are 4 rubberized legs. This will prevent the cooler from slipping when it is being used. As we type, we tend to push, and we need the laptop cooler to be slip resistant. Now to the main feature, there is a little latch that comes down. So now what it does is there are these grooves over here, and they sort of land on those. Now this creates the angle, as you can see over here. DeepCool has provided 5 different angles. As we can see, there is 20 degrees, 27 degrees, 32 degrees, 37 degrees, and 40 degrees. Now if we put it on 40 degrees, what they mean to say is that the top, the workstation actually is resting at a 40-degree incline. This can be handy if you want your laptop to be at a height and you're using an external keyboard and mouse. And if you're not comfortable, simply use an angle that suits your need. Now let us see some of the other features. There is the on-off switch over here. There's a USB in and USB out. So while you're connecting your laptop with one USB port, you don't necessarily lose it. There's an out over here, and you can use whatever other peripheral you want to connect to via that. So there we have the cooler. Now let's quickly connect it using the cable they've provided. Okay, one cable to the inside and one cable to the laptop. There we are. Now let us power up the cooler. There we go. There are 4 blue LEDs on the fan, and the fans come on. There is no speed control for the fan, like high, medium, low, or anything like that. We just have on and off, which is quite fine, and we have a good amount of airflow, as we can see, and the fan is not so audible as to get in the way, especially now that we're going to be putting our laptop on it. So there we are. As you can see, the laptop is actually supported by the two hinges as we mentioned earlier, and if we take that out quickly, the measurements width-wise, it is 35 centimeters, height is 30 centimeters, and diagonally it is 45 centimeters approximately. So there we have it. It's a unique little product. There aren't many laptop cooler with which went this sort of way in its approach, and it can support pretty large sort of laptops, given the 40, how much was it? 45 centimeter actually is 18 inches thereabouts, and so you have provision well enough for 17-inch laptops or even bigger, perhaps. So there we have it. That was the DeepCool's N7 laptop cooler. Thank you for watching our videos. See you next time.